Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 44,000 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. You do have a built-in dash cam here, the black view. That's all unplugged. And then it's a non-smoker and a ton of upgrades on this thing. And it sounds really good. I don't know if you can hear that intake just kind of whistling. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Alignment feels good. Of course, we're on a really bumpy road and it's walking around and kind of shaking. Typical Jeep fashion. But just driving straight, hitting on the brakes hard. Brakes feel solid, no issues there. About 50 there, and alignment still feels good. Coming up by the wall here so you can hear that intake kind of echoing. Sounds really good. Looking at that steering wheel and this right lighting too, you're going to see some wear right there. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, you do have rash. Rest of the wheel looks good. And then check out the brakes. Look at the 6-piston wheel woods. 37 by 12.5, 17s, Ridge grapplers, date code 2023. Got a lot of tread left. Looks really good. No PPF on here. You do have some little rock impacts, some light scuffs. Little markings. Overall, that looks good. That looks nice. Now this is broke, so just kind of hangs there. Looks good. Mirror's clean. Little surface scuffs, just here and there. Scratches from tree branches and things like that. Little impacts, just small stuff. Looks good. Tread looks nice, getting up close. You do have some rash on that wheel. Date code 2023. That lens looks good. Headlights look awesome. Couple little rock impacts. All pretty subtle though. Looking at the hood, from what I can tell there, it looks good. Couple scratches. There's some gashes there on that plastic. Few little scratches and gashes on that wheel as well. Now this one does work. Looks good. besides little scuffs just from tree branches and things like that. The doors look good, couple rock impacts, all pretty typical Jeep things. That wheel overall looks good. Lens looks nice, eco diesel. See, that tire is brand new. As far as tread goes, date code, probably 2023 still, yeah. Rest that looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You got the black leather, red accents. Looks good. You do have a black view dash cam built in. It looks like it has a forward facing camera and a cabin camera. It's all unplugged, but you can plug it all back in. It looks like it's just kind of hardwired in there. Looks good. Here on that door panel, it's in great condition. The net looks good. This trim looks nice. Got the all-weather mats. A couple little markings, but for the most part, that seat looks good. Upper side looks nice. Here on the steering wheel, overall in good condition there. Buttons look nice. Checking out the upper side of the dash, that looks good. Typical flaws on the screen, super common to have that. I don't know what that's called, like a delamination of some sort. Buttons look amazing though. And then you have a box down here, Power Magic Pro. Not sure what all that power's there, but it is there. Here on this door panel, overall in great condition. Trim looks good. Couple little scuffs. Looking at that bolster, that looks really nice. Little indentation here. The rest of that looks good. Couple scuffs on the plastics. Otherwise in good condition. And then looking at the screen, you're going to see a lot of wear. Pretty common on these screens to get those flaws. Here on that door panel, overall in great condition. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at the seats, they look really good. A couple little scratches. The carpet looks good. Got some small gashes here and there. Alpine sub. Rest of that looks good. Dark tinted glass. And scanning through the engine bay here. Looks good. Filter's really dirty. So this one does work. But man, if you're back here and you open this door and your leg's right here, that thing comes out. It'll clip you pretty good, so definitely be careful with that.